Hello guys and welcome back. Today I'll show you how to read deleted WhatsApp messages. The first method is to use the notification log. Long press on an empty area of your phone screen, then tap on widgets from the menu. Add notification log widget. Look for the settings widget and drag and drop the widget onto your home screen. Tap the widget and choose notification log from the available options. Whenever you see this message was deleted notification, open the notification log widget to see the original message. The second method is to use the notification history log app. Go to the Google Play Store and download the notification history log. Launch the app and grant it the required permissions to access notifications. Navigate to the notification history in the app and look for WhatsApp notifications and find the deleted messages under Android.txt. And that's it guys. Thank you for watching and please don't forget to like and subscribe for more.